Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm V, Simply V at home. Today I wanted to share with you a quick updo on these floral picks that I had gotten from Walmart last year. These picks were only 98 cents and I thought they were cute, but they were a little plain. So I went into my holiday decor stash and found some poinsettia flowers that I had gotten from Dollar Tree last year. They have them this year. I also pulled out some old ornaments that I didn't use and decided just to spruce up this pick a little bit. The first thing I did was cut off one of the poinsettias and glued it to the middle of the pick. Just something real quick. The poinsettias are really cute. They're white and they're cloth, so they're okay quality to come from, Dollar Tree. And then, of course, my theme this year is blue, silver, white, gray. So I took some of the flowers that I got from Walmart that I didn't use, and I just glued the leaves on one from each of the ornaments here. This huge ornament here, I bought this last year, never used it, so I just decided just to cut a few of the spikes off just to add it to that pick. The ornament is so big you won't even notice that you cut some off. I do have some blue ones that I did use this. I put a couple of them on my tree, but I never used the white one, so I just decided just to use a little some of the spikes. But this was a real quick project, just to put your own little flair on some of your holiday decor. Now this ornament that I'm using now, I actually bought this on accident. It was in the cart and I decided I wasn't gonna get it, but actually forgot to take it out the cart. It was only 98 cents at Walmart. So I just decided to use the little ball. Since the picks are very small, it's just better than using ornaments, and just put them on there just to add a little flair. But that's it. I mean, I literally made 4 of these picks or updo for these picks in a matter of minutes, and I think they turned out pretty. I can't wait to share my dining room reveal with you, where I will be using these picks. But thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and comment below. Have a wonderful holiday, and we'll see you in the next video.